Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to find your digital purchases on Amazon and where to look for available cancellation or refund options if you accidentally make a purchase. Let's get started. First, open Amazon and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Move your mouse to the top right corner, hover over Account and Lists, and click Account. Once the account dashboard loads, scroll down until you find Digital Content and Devices. From there, select Digital Services and Device Support to access Amazon's digital content and device management options. On the support page, look for Manage Content and Devices and click it. When the page loads, use the available filters to find the type of digital content or purchase you're looking for. If you see a Purchases option, select it to view applicable transactions. If there are no purchases matching your selected filter, you may see a message such as No Results Found. If your purchase appears, select the relevant item to view the available management options. Depending on the type of digital content and the purchase, you may see options to cancel, return, or request a refund. Follow the instructions Amazon provides and check the eligibility requirements before submitting your request. Keep in mind that not every digital purchase can be canceled or refunded, and the rules can vary depending on the product and marketplace. And that's it. Now you know where to find your digital purchases and where to look for available cancellation or refund options. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon tips. Thanks for watching.